Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you really quickly, very simply, how to start making your own purchases on PandaBuy. And what we have in front of me here is a spreadsheet that I made. You can see the link for this down below. And I put a bunch of products here. Most of them I have bought myself, and then there are a ton of other products that I've seen other people purchase. And I just put the links to them because looking around PandaBuy, trying to find these sort of things yourself may be a bit difficult. And I'll show you an example as to why. So let's check out one of these products. So let's start with these Nike SBs. A lot of people like PandaBuy for Nike SBs. That's actually how I got into PandaBuy. I was looking for some good quality, cheap, almost perfect fake Nike SBs, and that's what these are. I have these on the way actually. I ordered these myself recently. So as you can see here, they don't really have a very simple name. You can't just type in Nike SB and find exactly what you're looking for usually. I think that's I'm not sure exactly why the reason that is, but I've had that issue on AliExpress and other sites like that as well. So what is PandaBuy? PandaBuy is basically an agent, and these are products that are listed on Taobao, and I believe it's just Taobao, but you purchase it here, gets sent to the warehouse, they check out the item, they send you pictures, and then you get it shipped to the US. And this avoids any sort of issues with faulty products because you get to see what you're buying before it gets shipped all the way to the US. And the shipping is expensive, so it's something you always want to do. So now that we're on this product, let's say we want to buy this. We can check out the pictures. Sometimes they have reference photos. You gotta wait for these to load. But for this product, they have 6 photos from someone else that had ordered this exact pair of Nike SBs. And you can see the box, you see everything. So, I mean, you gotta wait for them to load, but as you can see, this is a good quality product. And it's nice that you can see what it already looks like in their warehouse before you even buy certain products. So I would go and pick which size I want. And you see here, they already have a shipping price. You can change that. You would only change that if you spoke to the seller yourself and talk to them about a different price. But we're just gonna leave that. We only want to buy one. And if you have any special requirements, you add that. You agree to this, and you add to your cart. So now we want to go to our cart. The cart is over here. I have a ton of items in my cart. I'm not buying nearly any of these. I probably just wanted to add them to wish lists or whatever. So now you scroll down. I have multiple different stores in my cart. A lot of these products you can find in my spreadsheet, almost all of them. And you can see I've got all these different products. Now I want to buy these Nike SBs. So I can click this if I want to do that whole store, or I just click one, maybe two, whatever ones I'm interested in. You can see here we have price in yen. This is CNY, and you can go on Google, type in CNY to USD, and you can just see what it will be. It'll come out to be a bit more when it comes to currency transfers and everything like that. There's ways around that. If you use Alipay and use a debit card, it's cheaper, but we're not going to get into that. You guys will figure that out on your own when you go to check out. It's pretty simple. So now you would go and submit. So it tells you here international shipping fee is not included. Once the product gets to the warehouse, that's when you'll have to pay for the international shipping. So it tells you a couple different things over here. You want to have the destination country as to where your product will be delivered to, because maybe certain products may not be able to go to certain countries. It's good to have that there. You want to agree to this, and you want to submit order. I have read and agreed, submit order. They give you a little reminder to let you know that you will have to pay the international shipping once it gets to their warehouse, and there will be more of a cost. The international shipping is expensive, so you have to keep that in mind. Now there are a couple of different options for you to pay with. You can pay with your credit card. Not all products will allow you to pay with credit card. You can pay with PayPal depending on the product, or you can just top up your balance. A lot of times I just do that. Maybe easier, maybe cheaper, depending. Or I'll just use Stripe. But if you convert that to USD, it actually comes out to being more expensive than it would be for PayPal, I believe. Usually that's the case. But if you do Alipay, if you create an Alipay account, you can actually pay in CNY, and you'll get a better deal. You would need to use your debit card for this. Right now, I have been using my credit card. I'm about to start switching over and using my debit card for that. So you would confirm payment. So I'm going to do balance. I'm not going to be able to pay just because I have an insufficient balance. Now, once you complete this, all you have to do is wait for it to arrive at their warehouse, and then you pay for the international shipping. Pretty simple. Make sure to check out the links down below, guys. Use this. You'll find many great products. And make sure to use my link to get a 5% shipping discount. It makes a huge difference. Have a good one.